myself, Sayyid Abdul Samad. We are from 8th standard. Today, I am going to talk about something really fascinating: DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It might sound like a big, complicated word, but DNA is actually something in every living thing. You, your pets, the trees outside, and even tiny bacteria all have DNA. Allah says in Quran in Surah Ahzab, ayat number 5. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Translation: Call them by the names of their fathers. It is more just in the sight of Allah. But if you do not know their fathers, then they are still your brothers in religion and those interested to you. And there is no blame upon you for that which you have erred, but only for what your heart intended. What your heart intended, and ever is Allah forgiving and merciful. Now, my friend, Faiz will continue.
So, what is DNA and why it is so important? Imagine DNA as a giant instruction book for your body, just like how a recipe tells to a chef how to make a dish. DNA gives your body instruction on how to grow, develop, and function. These instructions are stored in tiny structures are called cells, which are the building blocks of all living things. Now, my brother Saad will continue.
I will tell you the I will tell you the discovery of DNA. James Watson is widely known as the father of DNA for his role in discovering the structure of DNA, but he didn't discover itself. Swiss chemist Friedrich Mischer first identified DNA in late 1816s by isolating nucleic acid from pus cells in surgical bandages. Discovery of DNA in 1953, American biologist James Watson and English physicist Francis Crick proposed the double helix structure of DNA. Now my brother Uzair will continue.
DNA means job is to carry genetic information. This information is like a special code made up of four chemical called bases. These bases are adenine A, thymine T, cytosine C, and guanine G. These pairs of which each other in a specific way. A always pair with T and C always pair with G. They chain twisted leaders is known. Now my friend Ammar will continue.
One of the coolest thing about DNA is that it makes each one of us unique. Even though all humans share 99.9% of their DNA, it's that tiny 0.1% difference that make you you. Why we have different hair color, eye color, and some people can roll their tongue and other cannot. Now my friend Faiz will continue.
DNA is also thread are passed down from to their children. My
In conclusion, DNA is the magical blueprint of life. It tells us body how to grow, develop, and function. It's what helps us to pass from one generation to another generation. Jazakallahu khaira.